Why automate your focus sessions?
Automating your focus sessions helps you consistently carve out distraction-free time for productive work. With so many digital interruptions, relying on willpower alone can be difficult. Scheduling apps and automation features make it easier to stick to your plans, minimize distractions, and build effective work habits that support your long-term goals.
Choosing the right scheduling app.
Start by selecting a scheduling app that fits your device and workflow. Popular options like Google Calendar, Outlook, or specialized tools like FocusMate or Clockwise offer features like recurring events, reminders, and integrations with task lists. Look for an app that supports calendar automations and lets you customize your focus sessions according to your needs.
Setting up recurring focus sessions.
Block out specific times for focused work in your schedule. Use your app to set recurring events, daily, weekly, or during your most productive hours. Choose clear labels such as focus session or deep work. By automating the timing, you reduce decision fatigue and create a predictable routine that supports sustained concentration.
Adding automation for distraction-free time.
Boost effectiveness by pairing your scheduling app with automation tools. For example, set Do Not Disturb modes, silence notifications, or log out of distracting apps automatically during focus sessions. Tools like Zapier or native integrations can help trigger these actions, ensuring your work periods are truly interruption-free.
Reviewing and adjusting your routine.
Reflect on your automated focus sessions weekly. Are you meeting your productivity goals? Do certain times work better? Use scheduling app analytics or your own observations to fine-tune your routine. Adjust durations, frequency, or automation settings as needed to create a sustainable and effective system for deep work.